With all the holiday gatherings, there's a lot of pressure on us to make sure that everything is just right. So to help us out, let me share a handful of ideas that start with a few refrigerated and frozen shortcuts that'll make any holiday get-together stress-free. Since no holiday feast is complete without mashed potatoes, here's an idea. Mix a bit of butter and sour cream into a container of refrigerated mashed potatoes. Place them in a casserole dish and bake them off. Before serving them, finish them with some shredded cheddar and a few scallions. And if sweet potatoes are a must on your holiday table, try topping a container of refrigerated store-bought ones with a mixture of flour, butter, brown sugar, and pecans for a southern favorite that is always welcome. Rather than serving plain old stuffing, why not add some crumbled refrigerated or frozen sausage to it, along with some chopped onions? Want to make it meat-free? Use a plant-based sausage. And if you're tight on oven space, go ahead, use your slow cooker. With roasted veggies being all the rage, toss some frozen Brussels sprouts, onions, and butternut squash with a bit of olive oil and a few seasoning. Then pop them in your air fryer, and before serving it, we finish it with crumbled bacon, and you'll have a side dish that'll be the hit of the holidays. When you team all of these with your favorite main dish, you're good to go. To get these recipe ideas that start with a few freezer and refrigerated staples, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen. With these easy shortcuts, your holiday feast is sure to deliver lots of, ooh, it's so good.